this is Maria Zamani from SR International School. Hope you all are doing well. So students, tell me one thing, do you like puzzles? Yes, I know you like puzzles and you enjoy very much when I give you puzzles during the maths class. So from today onwards, we are going to start this puzzling also. Okay, we are going to start with the reasoning exercises. The puzzles which I give you is a part of reasoning. So we are going to start those puzzles. I know you are going to enjoy it. It is very interesting. It is just like a game. So students, in reasoning we are going to start with our first topic, that is series. Do you know anything about series? Yes, you know it. In maths we have done it. The patterns which we have done, like skipping by 2, skipping by 3, that is only the series. But in series we have a lot more like these type of patterns. So we are going to start with the first topic, that is series. Let us begin with the very easy series, that is 23, 25, 27, 29 and dash dash dash. Now let's see 23. If we see here, after 23 here comes 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We are skipping 1 Either you can say skipping 1 or you can also say 23 plus 2 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. 27 plus 2 is 29, or 29 plus 2 next number, or you can say by skipping 1 number also, 29, 30, 31, or 29 plus 2 is 31. So answer here it will be 31. Okay, now 31 plus 2 will it will be 33. Okay, or 32, 33, like this skipping. 34, 35 will be here, and 33 plus 2 will be 35. Let us take one more example of the same series, same type of series, suppose it is 8, 11, 14, 17, dash dash dash. Okay, now let's see. 8 plus how much we get 11? 8 plus 3 we get 11. Okay, then 11 plus 3 if you see again, what is 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is what? 17. Now next number will be 17 plus 3. Now next number will be, whatever the number will be, we will add 3 to it. Next we will add 3, like this. Or another method to do is this, like this: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, like this also. Or if you see like this, 17 plus 3, it will come 20, here it will come 23, and here it will come 26. So can you tell this one? 4, 11, 18 and dash. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 7 will be the answer, that is 25. Now let's see another type of series. Here if we see 2 plus 1 is 3, then 3 plus how much is 5? 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 5 plus how much is 8? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus how much is 12? Plus 4. So if we are seeing here plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, now what it will be? Plus 5. Okay, then plus what? 6. Then plus 7. Like this we will do. 12 plus 5 is 17. Then 17 plus 6, 23. And 23 plus 7 is 30. See another series. If we see from 6 to 7 it is plus 1, and 7 to 10 it is plus 3, 10 to 15 it is plus 5, then 15 to 22 it is plus 7. If you see plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, then what will be the number? 1, 3, 5, 7 are what? Odd numbers. So next odd number will be 9, and next odd number will be 11, and next odd number will be 13. So 12 to 22 plus 9, 31. 31 plus 11, 42. 42 plus 13, 55. So this will be the series. Now let's see another type of series here. Okay, Now here the number is 25, 24, 22, 19 and 15. If you see here 25, 24, the series is decreasing over here. 25, 24, 22. Okay, so series decreasing. Let's see when 25 becomes 24. When we subtract 1 from it. When we minus 1 from 21, it will become 24. 24, then 22. When 24 become 22? 24 minus 2 is 22. Then 22 minus how much is 19? Minus 3. 19 minus how much is 15? Minus 4. Then minus 15, how much is the next number? If you see the series minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now tell me which will be the next number? Yes, minus 5. After minus 5, what will be the next number? Minus 6. Okay, now 15 minus 5. What is 15 minus 5? That is 10. And 10 minus 6 is 4. So what will be the next two numbers? 10 and 4. Let's take one more example. If we see 32, 29, 26, 23. Here also the numbers are decreasing. So when numbers are decreasing, we will see when they will decrease. If we see 32 to 29, 32 minus 3, it will become 29. Okay, 32 minus 29 will be minus 3. Now if you see 29 minus 26, what will be the answer? Answer will be minus 3. 26 minus 23. 26 minus 23 will again be minus 3. So what will be the next number? Minus 3. And what will be the next number to it? Minus 3 again. 23 minus 3 is what? 20. And 20 minus 3 is what? 17. Okay, now new type of series is, if you see 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, they are increasing rapidly. If you see 1, 2 is very small, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 8, then 16 and then 32. They are increasing rapidly. When it is increasing rapidly, what we are going to do? 1, 2. 1, 2 and 2, 4. If you see the connection between 1, 2 and 2, 4 and 4, 8. What is this? 4 2s are 8. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. So if you see 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is again 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is what? 8. And if you multiply 8 multiplied by 2 is again 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. Then you know what is the series now. We are multiplying the series by 2. Okay. So next number will obviously be multiplied by 2. And the answer, whatever the answer will come, it will be multiplied by 2 again. Then 32 multiplied by 2 again is what? 64. You can solve it in rough and check it. Okay. Now 64 multiplied by 2 is what? 128. If we see this series 4, 9, 16, 25, if we are adding also, if you check all the methods which you can apply here, plus, minus, multiply, whatever, okay, then we will come to know there is no method which is applicable over here. So you can see here one more thing, that 4 is what? 2 2s are 4. What is 9? 3 3s are 9. What is 16? 4 4s are 16. What is 25? 5 5s are 25. Now you come to know the series. 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. Then tell me what will be the next? Yes, 6 multiplied by 6 will be the next. Next, 7 by multiply by 7. 6 6 are 36 and 7 7s are 49. So this is the series. So student, as we learned, series can be recognized through addition, subtraction, multiplication. But there are other ways also. You can apply your own reasons also. But remember one thing, series should be same throughout. Do not apply different methods in the same series. Remember this, do not apply different methods in the same series. Students, in this video we have learned different methods to solve different series. I hope you enjoyed this session, and from the next section we are going to start with the next topic. Till then, have a good and safe day. Goodbye everyone.